In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to create a separate page for blog posts in WordPress. WordPress allows you to easily configure your website to have a custom homepage. This feature also allows you to choose any other page on your website to be used as your blog page. As you can see, this is the homepage of my demo site, and this page called Blog is where I want to display all my posts. But right now, this page is empty. To display all my posts on this page, all I have to do is make one small change. To do that, go to the dashboard, then go to Settings, and click on Reading. Now here in the Homepage Display settings, my homepage is set to the correct page, but my posts page is set to the About Us page. All you have to do is change this to the correct page. So I will set the posts page to Blog. Then click on Save Changes. Now when I go to the blog page and reload it, as you can see, all my posts are now displayed on this page. This is how you can create a separate page for blog posts in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.